In this video presentation overview, we'll look at capital project planning basics from the perspective of a greenfield mining project, where the Project Management Office has established a field planning office where planning specialists work alongside scheduling and controls personnel. Planning engineers add value to the project by planning, estimating, and assembling job packages, managing commodities and materials, and supporting construction managers with contractor coordination and change order planning. Let's look at what is involved in capital project planning basics in this scenario. Scenario background. A mining company is expanding its mineral processing capabilities at an existing mine site. Although this project is associated with an existing operation, it's considered greenfield capital project. Potential bottlenecks after startup might require small maintenance projects. The 18-month construction phase for this project is 23% complete, with a negative float on critical path of 4 weeks. Cost is 4% over budget, but all risks have been identified and mitigated, providing all installation work packages are complete, accurate, and turnover packages are ready for pre-operational verification and testing and hot commissioning and startup. Maintenance and capital projects planning basics, key points. Various planning disciplines assisted engineering with creating engineering work packages relative to material and commodity takeoffs. Note: capital projects, or engineering, procurement, construction, are generally commodity-driven with bulk installations such as earthworks, concrete, structural steel, mechanical, electrical, and instrumentation, until final construction completion and system/subsystem cold and hot commissioning. Planning services planned and assembled construction work packages referencing EWPs to establish step-out plans, resources, hours, and indirect support in preparation for constructability reviews. Planning assisted with contracting strategies, execution strategies, and constructability reviews, SIMOPs, simultaneous operations, and density modeling in preparation for installation work packages. Maintenance and capital projects planning value. Planning services work with procurement/contracting and the project manager to efficiently provide high-level estimates for change requests, then detailed planning for change order control. The installation work packages were effectively assembled by work type, discipline, and contractors and distributed weekly. Planning services worked closely with construction manager, quantity surveyors, and logistics to coordinate indirect support resources. Turnover packages were planned and assembled in accordance with the commissioning schedule. Planning services assisted with identifying commissioning spares and commodities in preparation for pre-operational verification and testing. To summarize, planning services are essential to the preparation and coordination of physical work to be performed in the fab shops and in the field. Planning basics for estimating and job package assembly ensures the planning services are consistent, efficient, and effective in their effort of just-on-time delivery of commodities, fabrications, and resources through each phase of the project. Planning services work under project management within the PMO. However, they must work in harmony with project controls in relation to cost and schedule performance. Planning basics for maintenance and capital projects provides general common knowledge of the value contribution potential focused on planning, procurement, and job package assembly for engineering, construction, installation, and commissioning.